Hey guys, so in the previous episode, I gave you 3 best lenses that you can use for street photography. So in this episode, I'm gonna tell you 3 best lenses that you can use for landscape photography. But before moving further, let's roll the intro. Okay, the first lens that we have in our list is the 16 to 35mm f4. It can go very wide, so it can be used for that crazy wide field of view for that landscape. The lens goes from 16mm to 35mm, so it's a little versatile lens, and trust me, you will fall in love with that lens when you start shooting with that lens. Yeah, this lens also has a version f2.8, but in landscape photography, the f2.8 and f4 doesn't matter that much, because in any way your aim is not to get that bokeh, and that's the reason why f2.8 and f4 doesn't matter that much, but f2.8 will just steal your pocket. So it's better to go with the f4 version rather than selling your one kidney, right? Okay, the next lens that I'm going to talk about is a very popular lens I have talked about already in the street photography episode, and if you haven't watched the street photography episode yet, then I will put the link in the description and also in the card above, so go and check it out. So the lens is 24 to 70mm f2.8. Yeah, this lens also has a version f4 and you can go for the f4, but the reason I'm telling f2.8 version in this lens particularly, that's because you will also get a better image quality from f2.8 version. But obviously you can go for f4 version and that will also serve your purpose very easily. And since this is one of the most versatile lens according to me, it had to be in our list. You can go from 24 to 70mm, and which is a very versatile focal length. So this is one of my favorite lenses in all of the genres. Okay, so the last lens that we have in our list is the 70 to 200mm f4, and this lens is used for the zoomed view of any landscape, and it's something like, suppose you want to get that mountain perfectly and you don't want any other things to come in the frame, but where you are standing to take that picture, everything else is also coming in your frame. Yeah, obviously you can crop that in the post, but if you can do it in your camera, then why not? So with the lens zoomed in at 150mm or 200mm, maybe you can just remove all the unnecessary things that coming in your frame. So these were the 3 lenses that are best according to me for your landscape photography. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below down there. And having that said, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.